With the MightyMic Pro, you can make smartphone videos for your blogs and social media. Using the MightyMic Pro, you can wirelessly record audio and video right to your phone. So, Jeff, how's your YouTube channel?
It's going great.
With the shotgun mic and the MightyMic Pro, you can make a movie. Why do we need the MightyMic Pro?
Basically for three reasons. First of all, the circuit is optimized to give you the best sound when you're recording audio and video on your smartphone. Second, you can use any external microphone that works with a smartphone, so you can optimize the sound that way. And third, you can integrate a gimbal mount to get the best possible performance when you're doing a video recording.
With the MightyMic Pro in the lab, you can do your own cooking show. The MightyMic Pro is perfect for making your fitness videos.